Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. Yes, you can do it at the end, but before that, I want to show you something. This question writing task 1 was part of 11 January 2025 exam that has happened. So, this kind of complicated kind of diagram is there, you can see it where you are getting so many things to write. So from 1 to 10 you will get things. Here they have given fire, water, stream, so you have to make story for, you have to just assess the process how it goes. Like fire is this, I can see, and water may be there, and steam is going there, and then aromatic plants, where we will use aromatic. So we will be using, I think, plants over here. Four number is plant and fifth number is steam plus oil, vapor will come out, and then cold water, with the help of cold water. mm, six number is six number is here cold water, seventh is water. So you need to understand the concept of this writing task 1. So we will be doing this reading passage. So sorry, I am always doing reading passage, that's why this mistake had done. So we will be doing this writing task 1 actually, and how to write good. In my even 7 band score writing task 1, I will show you step by step. Please try to understand and try to write on your own with the help of this video also. Okay, so let's start this. So we have read the question, the diagram also. Now let's read the question statement. The diagram below shows how oil is expected, not extraction, it is not there, is expected in use of production of perfume. Okay, so I have read the question statement, I even understood the diagram also. Now let's write the introduction. So before that, you know it, 150 minimum words you should write it. But if your words are like that 140 or 145, then also there is no problem, until unless you are explaining each and everything, because every step is important over here. If somebody is saying only a little body paragraph should be little less, no, of course whatever they have given these words, please use these into your sentences while explaining the detailed paragraphs. Okay, don't think that it will become 200 or 250. No, it will not come out 200 or 250 words, it will come out only 170 or 165 words, I am telling you. But using all these words into explaining the process of this diagram. Okay, so as I told you, minimum this much you can write, and 20 minutes you will be given. But don't think that 20 minutes you will be writing and writing. First 2-3 minutes please plan means analyze the time, this diagram and all, and next you will be writing. And the last 3 or 4 minutes please proofread. Proofread means reread the answer whatever you have written for writing task 1, and whatever, suppose any word is just you are repeating it 7-8 times, like water, just water. I can't say that cold water, you can write cold liquid, hot liquid, hot water, but every time we can't change the word water. Okay, so little bit you can just vary your language, but uh, check your tenses also, so check your spellings also. So last 4 minutes you need to do this proofreading. Now how to write introduction, and of course paragraphs. First will be introduction, second will be overall paragraph. Okay, overall paragraph, then body detail paragraph 1 and body detail paragraph number 2. It can be done. Okay, now let's write introduction. See this, the diagram, instead I have written the given illustration, or diagram also you can write the given process diagram. You can write process diagram which depicts the production of perfume, but I have forgotten to write this expected word. So the given process diagram which depicts the expected, or which depicts how the oil is expected in the production of perfume. Okay, so this also you can write. Now simple thing we can write it. Now in overall means what we can see it from the bird's eye view. So here we can see 10 words they have given in. It means we will be using these words in explaining the process. So there may be 10 steps you can say. Overall it can be seen that, so pink line or and underline green one, it means see, this is all ready-made templates or ready-made lines. You can learn it. If any process diagram is there, then you can write these words, underline whatever I have done, underline with green pen. Now overall it can be seen that it involves 10 major steps, which initiates 10 major steps. Yes, of course, from 1 to 10 these are the steps, and which initiates with this and which ends with this. Which initiates with extracting aromatic oil from plants, condensing the vapor, and lastly separating fragrant oil from the ready mixture. Okay, and from the ready mixture fragrance oil final production is there. Now we have explained introduction also and overall, so you can separate these, because I have not separated due to in introduction only one line was there, because in bar graph, line graph, table and pie graph, so we need to write the statistical data is presented in this and this also. That's why we are separating paragraph between introduction and overall paragraph. Now I have combined both the things into one paragraph. Now coming to body detail paragraph. How we will write body detail paragraph? So of course we will start with the first process, that will be using water, steam, plants and all. Okay, let's start with first paragraph. So how I have started, just look at this. To begin with, yes, before starting, so please you can like, you can subscribe and do comment in my comment section. To begin with, see this. To begin with, plants having fragrance are put in a container. So in a container where steam is supplied from the bottom, this steam is generated from another container. This steam is generated from another container. So first we are talking this and then we are talking this about. Where steam is supplied from the bottom fire, this steam is generated from another container where water is boiled by fire to produce it. See this? Okay, now the steam heats the plant mixture. Now here steam, here water is there under fire, water is this, and what steam is going through this. Now the steam heats the plant mixture and make the oil stored in the plant's vapor. See this, these are the plants in the plant's vapor, these are the things. The result is obtained from combination of plant oil and water steam. See this, combination of steam oil, uh, steam plus oil vapor. The result is obtained from combination of plant oil and water steam. See this, steam and plant oil. Second significant phase, and the ready preparation material goes through condenser to become a mix of oil. See this, condenser is also there too. Second, the ready preparation material goes through condenser to become a mix of oil. In this condenser vessel, there is, in this condenser vessel, now we will talk about these waters. In this condenser vessel, there is a hot water and cold water. Okay, from the bottom, and from the bottom this is flowing into the next container. From the bottom this is flowing into the next container. Okay, next container where liquid mixed with essential oil, now with the help of separator, oil is separated at a high position in large jar. See this, with the help of separator, oil is separated at a high position in the last jar. From here, this and this from the last jar. Okay, final step. Finally, hydrolot, which is aromatic water, runs out from the lower one, runs out from the lower pipe, you can write it. From the lower pipe, you can see this is separate. This is hydrolot is coming out, which is ready to use. Now last, finally you can say, which is ready to use. Now the final step, it is a linear process. So this line you can write it in here also. it is a linear process. Production of perfume, it is a linear process. You can write this also. So how I have written this full. Now this is my introduction and overall paragraph, and this is body detail paragraph about this and this until here in fact. So and now next they are talking about condenser. Till here we have talked about in this, and second is main important thing here, condenser to become they are using water, hot water and cold water, and then finally we are talking about separator also in the last line, and the last line is here, see this.